Question, what's a drip leg? Allow me to explain real quick, guys. A drip leg or a sediment trap is nothing more than just a vertical gas pipe installed within a gas line prior to the gas appliance. What you see here is a drip leg connected to a gas furnace. You'll typically see drip legs on gas furnaces, gas boilers, and even gas water heaters. Now, the intended purpose of a drip leg is to catch any impurities within the gas line prior to hitting the gas appliance. Impurities can mean condensation or even debris and buildup. If you didn't have a drip leg here, this could be deadly for your gas valve or even burners, because all that debris and buildup, it could kill the gas valve or even clog up the orifices within the burner. So having a drip leg here is recommended. Now, for local code, the required length can vary. I think it's minimum 3 inches, but if you don't know how long to make the drip leg, you could just look up your local code enforcement and they'll tell you how long they have to be. Hope this helps out. Peace out. I'll see you guys on the next one.